Welcome to Morito Mindset, unfiltered, unapologetic, and uniquely FEU. I'm your host Nina and we're back with episode 2 to talk about something na malapit sa puso nating mga FEU students. But before that, let me introduce our guest for today. From the Department of Communication we have, Irvin Argel. Hi Irvin!
Hello Morito Mindset!
Malapit na matapos ng semester, and I think it's only fitting to talk about the hybrid learning modality. The FEU Advocate published an article last July 27 about TAM's take on hybrid learning. The results showed that 43.5% were in favor, while 56.4% were against it.
But I also got the chance to watch Mediasphere's TikTok video about the setup of FEU.
Yes, we actually did post a video, so what's your take about it?
As someone kasi who experienced this modality nung senior high ako, di naman ako nanibago but I do get those people na against dito kasi napakaraming factors ang dapat i-consider.
Exactly. So, tanong ko lang, no? Do you feel more productive ba kapag on-site or pag online?
I feel more productive talaga kapag on-site class kasi iba pa rin yung may social interaction.
Diba? Kasi kapag face-to-face, mas locked in ka sa pagiging student eh.
Exactly. Kumbaga parang iba yung feels eh. Pero you know what I like about the setup kasi, FEU opened its hybrid learning rooms. So personally, na-experience ko na mag-online class sa school. Pero minsan namihina yung wifi.
Diba? Ang dami pa rin pumapasok sa campus kahit na online class sila. Pero let me add, no? May mga accounts din kasi tayo na may access sa iba't ibang platforms na pwede natin gamitin to create and submit our outputs.
However, kapag nag-online class for example sa bahay, there are distractions tapos sasabay pa yung internet connection, medyo weird pa yung scheduling. But you know what? I wanna share something na na-observe ko na TAMs are indeed mulat at talagang may pinaglalaban.
Can you share that with us, Irvin?
Nung walkout kasi last September 29, hindi ko alam if nakita mo, may signage na hawak yung ibang students about the learning modality. Ang pinakatumatak sa akin ay yung quote-unquote online ang setup pero pang F2F ang tuition. Something like that.
Grabe yung opinion ng TAMS, no? Kasi may nakita rin ako ng September 9 naman sa Facebook, sa FEU Freedom Wall. Sabi doon na disappointing daw yung setup kasi sayang sa tuition.
Yun nga, medyo nakaka-stress lang.
So, are there any tips na gusto mong sabihin for those na stressed na talaga sa modality na to?
You know, for me adopting talagang isa sa mga dapat na meron tayo. We'll never know kasi kung hanggang kailan ganito ang setup ng FEU. Kaya dapat, as early as now, we know how to adapt.
Absolutely. What a way to end, no? Thank you for joining us today, Irvin.
Thank you for having me, Nina.
And that's it. Thank you for tuning in to Morito Mindset and share your thoughts and let us know your own survival tips. Don't forget to follow and subscribe so you won't miss our next episodes. Until then, stay focused, strong, and keep the Tamara spirit alive. Peace out.